Okay, here's the dashboard that you get when It's Safe is launched. You'll need a display, connect your HDMI to the back of it, and a keyboard and mouse. Use a USB-enabled wireless mouse and keyboard. When you click on the Firefox icon over here on the left-hand side, you'll get a connection of screens. The first one that comes up is the security status screen. If things get jumbled around, just look for the tab that says Security Status Kibana. Now this will come up and tell you that certain things are going on. And in this case, you'll see that TeamViewer is started. I'm running this display example with TeamViewer. So TeamViewer will come through and give you different results. Well, actually, you'll see the screen that I'm seeing with TeamViewer. I was trying to use a different tool, which would not be TeamViewer, but I'll get that running later. Getting this to you is more important right now so that we can see what's really going on inside your environment. And as you can see, we can see the activity that's going on through the device itself, and as well, what connections are going through with browsers, operating systems, traffic through the network, where are they going to, different locations, as well as a country map. Now, most of these I have no problems with. When it gets to Russia, Romania, China, and some of the other ones, I get really concerned. But what we don't want to see are activities that include Trojans and other malware. That's when we really need to start blocking these events and or the locations that they're going to until we can get you a production box. The production box will do fully automated protection at machine speed. Right now, we're doing detection and showing you, especially given the limited scope on the number of countries. You've taken our scope down to China and Russia only. And yeah, we don't see them here, but looking back a day, let's say this week, in my home network, I was blocking these types of events that included these countries. Of course, Russia's there. And I believe China was there the day before. Singapore, that's as close as you can get without being said China. But what happens is when they see that the activity is blocked, they'll start going to locations like Amazon. And Amazon is global. So in that case, they can go just about anywhere. And we need to stop those activities so that they don't take away the information on your computers and they don't access your client data as well as your coin wallets. That's enough for right now. Let's talk about what happens when you get your box, and we'll do a screen share to show you what's going on. Don't forget, connect your device, your phone, your laptop to the wireless network, which is called It's Safe. When you're through It's Safe, your traffic will go through the device and we can see what malware is already on your devices and block them. That's the intent. I hope this makes sense. I think it's more beneficial when it's an interactive conversation, but I'll talk to you soon. Take care now.